Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a Hyundai that came in with a strange clunk when you slightly move the steering wheel left or right. Originally we thought maybe it was an intermediate shaft. Those are known to wear out. But it turns out that these particular Hyundais and a few other manufacturers, they use a plastic gear inside the steering column to kind of help indicate how much assist is needed with the electric steering. As you can see from the picture here, we have the old wore out one, and you can see the teeth are all ripped off of it, and the other one, obviously the teeth are there. With no teeth, obviously that would allow the steering wheel to kind of clunk back and forth kind of on its own. If you're having some clunking noises when you're moving your steering wheel, you're not quite sure what's going on, these are things that we are very skilled at diagnosing and repairing. Please feel free to give us a call. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share the video so if anybody else out there has this issue, they can find that information.